Here's how to make custom 3D items in no time. In Blender, Shift A and add a mesh plane. Select your image file, set the interpolation to closest and add it to the scene. Numpad 7 to go into top view, make sure you're using material preview or got textures enabled for solid mode. Tap into edit mode and subdivide. Set the number of cuts to fit your resolution. I've got 16 by 16 pixels, so I will use 15 cuts. If your texture is not square, create loop cuts with Ctrl R to set their horizontal and vertical count separately. Pull up your UV editor. Now select all the faces that are transparent and delete them. Use C for easy selection with the circle tool. If you have MC Prep installed, you can just go to UV, select alpha faces and clean it up a little. Now let's scale down the UV to avoid issues when extruding. Set the UV transform pivot to individual origins, and use Alt-M to split the edges in a 3D view. Now you can scale the pixels down a bit. MC Prep users can also do it up here. In the 3D view, press E to extrude and either move it manually, just type a value, or change it down here. Enable the overlay for edge length if you want to reference the size of the faces. For details, go into top view and select the faces that will be extruded the same. Press Ctrl and numpad plus twice to automatically extend the selection to the other side. Numpad 1 to go into front view, enable X-ray and deselect all the faces in between. Press Alt E for the extrude menu and select extrude faces along normals and shift them like usual. Repeat this for other extrusions. Select all and merge by distance with M. Click on Select by Trait, Interior Faces, and Delete, so we have an empty inside. Check the face orientation and see if your normals are right, and Ctrl N to recalculate if necessary. Select two faces on opposite sides where you want to center the origin, and Shift S to place the cursor there. In Object Mode, set Origin to 3D Cursor. Your hotkey might be different, but you can check it up here under Object Set Origin. Now the origin is right, but the rotation axes are pretty awkward, so let's rotate 90 on the X, minus 90 on the Z, and minus 45 on the Y to bring it up, and Ctrl A to apply rotation. Now we can rotate a lot better. To simplify the mesh, select the faces to combine on one side, press Ctrl Shift M to mirror it to the other side, and check Extend to keep the existing selection. In the UV editor, select all, and Shift S to snap to pixels. Now Ctrl X in the 3D view to dissolve the faces. Repeat that step for other faces. If you select too many at once, some might not combine properly, so you have to select them individually. To fix the weird lock of the default shader in the shader editor, set the specular to 0, and we can also disconnect the alpha. And there you have it. A clean item model from any texture. Comment down below what kind of item you're going to be making first. See you in the next one.